In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a section in Squarespace. This is a quick way to reuse a beautifully designed block of content across multiple pages without rebuilding it every time. Think of it like creating a template for a hero banner, testimonial strip, or pricing row that you can drop in wherever you need it. First, on the left side of your Squarespace workspace, click Website. This takes you to the main area where you manage the content and structure of your site. From there, select Pages. You'll see your site's page list, organized just like your navigation, so it's easy to find exactly where your section lives. Now, go to the page that has the section you want to save. A section in Squarespace is the horizontal slice of your page that holds blocks like text, images, buttons, or galleries. Open the page and scroll until you see the exact section you'd like to reuse in other places. It helps to glance over the content and spacing to confirm it's the version you want, especially if you've experimented with variations. Next, select the section by clicking directly on it. When you click the section itself, not just an individual block within it, you'll see a small context menu appear at the top right of that section. This confirms you've selected the whole section rather than a single block. If you don't see the menu, try clicking near the top edge of the section to make sure it's highlighted. From that context menu, click the heart icon to save it. The heart is your save to reuse control, and when you click it, Squarespace stores that section so you can add it again anywhere on your site. You should see a quick visual confirmation that the section has been saved. That's it. No rebuilding, no copy-paste headaches, just a clean, reusable section ready for future pages. Once saved, you can easily reuse the section anywhere on your site when adding a new section. As you add a new section to any page, look for your saved sections in the section picker and choose the one you just saved. It will drop into the page with the same layout and styling, so your design stays consistent and your workflow stays fast. And that's all. By saving sections you love, you create a library of reliable, on-brand building blocks that keep your site cohesive and speed up your edits. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Squarespace.